What's going on, gearheads? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Chevy Cruze air filter. Putting this video together because I've seen some people posting online. They bring their car in at Jiffy Lube or something to get their oil replaced, and they go ahead and that's when they start racking on the extras. You know, oh, you also need to do your air filter, you need a brake fluid flush, you need the cabin filter done. And I saw somebody post up a charge. They wanted basically $15 for the filter and then $300 in labor, so it was like $315 for them to replace the air intake filter for the engine. So guys, this can be done in less than a minute in your driveway, at your apartment complex, wherever you are. You just need a flathead Phillips head screwdriver, so don't get hosed on $300 charge. Do this one yourself. You only need two tools to complete this job: a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, once you got your hood open, we're gonna go ahead and locate the air filter box, which is right here. And I'm gonna show you what you gotta disconnect to get this thing out and replace your air filter. Here's the part. AC Delco, it's a GM product. Here's the part number. You can go with an aftermarket one as well, but this is the OEM air filter. First thing we're gonna do is just remove the MAF sensor. Just pull that red tab back and push down, pull out, and then this will just lift out. You can move that out of the way. Next, we'll loosen up this hose clamp, remove the hose. Next, we're gonna remove these 4 screws. And just kidding, there's actually 5 screws. We missed that one. And actually, there's 6 screws. 6 screws all together. We need to count better. Now, you don't need to remove the screws all the way. As you can see, just back them out far enough and then just lift the upper housing off. Here's the old filter. If you got a little shop vac, you could suck out any leaves and debris that are in your filter housing. Now, this is pretty interesting. The air intake duct actually is routed down into the fender. So this actually has kind of a cold air intake from the factory. Drop in your new filter. Now tighten up all your screws. Not 4, not 5, but as we learned, there is 6 total screws, 6 screws. Reinstall your hose and tighten up the clamp. Reconnect the MAF sensor clip. Reattach the harness. As a little added bonus for this video, I'm going to show you guys also how to clean the MAF airflow sensor. Again, we're just going to remove this, get this out of the way. Go ahead and just remove these 2 screws. There's one on the top, one on the bottom. Now go ahead and pull the card out. The parts in here are very sensitive, so don't go sticking your hands on the little wire element and stuff in there. We're going to go ahead and use an approved cleaner to clean this thing out, get any debris off it, and that'll give us a better metering of the amount of air going into the engine. Go to your local auto parts store and pick up a product like the CRC Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner, and you're just going to basically clean the sensor out. Go ahead and let that dry for a few minutes and then reinstall it back into the housing. All right, guys, we got everything back together. Thanks for checking out this video and stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one.